Feel your heartbeat and open your heart to receive the magic of 4D world. Because through your heart, you can receive the frequency. So tune in to the frequency of what you want by feeling that you already have it, and just bless the heart. And now, let's say some affirmations to open our heart and to bless our heart. Say it with me, repeat with me. My heart is open to give and receive love freely. I bless my heart with healing, kindness, and compassion. Every beat of my heart fills me with gratitude for life's blessings. I release any pain or hurt stored in my heart, and I welcome peace. My heart is a vessel of unconditional love and infinite light. Feel your heart, visualize it. I trust my heart to guide me with wisdom and clarity. Love flows through my heart to everyone I meet. I am safe to express the love in my heart without any fear. My heart is whole and my soul is at peace. I forgive myself and others, setting my heart free to love again. With every breath, my heart grows stronger and lighter. I honor the sacred space of my heart. I attract loving, positive, and kind-hearted people into my life. The energy of love surrounds and protects my heart. My heart beats in harmony with the rhythm of the universe. And now feel the connection with your heart and the universe. With this white light energy, feel that Your heart is now receiving all the white light energy from universe and giving it all the power you need in your life. Bless your heart. And now let's say and release any negative emotion stuck in there. I'm sorry, my heart. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, my heart, that I have not felt enough gratitude till now towards you. Sometimes I have stored lot of negative emotion inside you for years, for months, for days. I'm so sorry for that. Please forgive me. And remember all those negative emotions you had stored in your heart for years. All those blame, complaint, feeling, all those negative emotions, all those emotions which caused the stress in your body. Remembering those and say that, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you so much, my heart, for keep supporting me, even though I have done so many mistakes. Please forgive me. Thank you so much. I love you, my heart. I really love you. Now, I let go of all the negative emotions which is stored in my heart right now. Any doubt, any blame, complaint, any desperate feeling, any negative emotions, worry, fear, judgment, irritation, anything, whatever is stored inside you right now, I'm ready to let it go. And now take a deep breath and let go all of your negative emotions. You can do it because you are the one who have created these emotions inside your heart. So you can release it right now. Take another deep breath and say release.